friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a very exciting topic. It's how to make money on Medium. If you love writing and sharing your thoughts, this could be a fantastic opportunity for you. Let's go. Medium is a platform where writers can share their stories, articles, and ideas with a global audience. But did you know you can also earn money while doing what you love? You can start with joining the Medium Partner Program. This program allows you to earn money based on how many people are engaging with your stories. You can create a Medium account if you don't have one. As a beginner, you might be wondering on how to start out on Medium. So let's get started. As you can see, first we're going to be signing up. If you don't have an account, you can also create an account. And then first we will open a new story draft right here, as you can see, and you'll get this blank page. Here we can write our title. Don't forget that this should be in a title case, which means all words are capitalized, and this is a subtitle. So for example, we can come up with sample story, and this is a subtitle which is going to be in a sentence case. We can write hello everyone, and then you can also correct the spellings around here. Yeah, that's nice, right? So to change it into a subtitle, you will select the text, and then this option will pop up and you will select the smaller t, so it will change it into a subtitle. And Medium also has another format which is called a kicker. A kicker is a few words that you can add at the top of your title, which is used to categorize your stories. And just by clicking at the top of your title, for example, let's write part 1 here, and then again you will select on the text. Then do you remember these options? Yeah, we will select the smaller t again. Now we got the kicker. One thing you don't have to forget about a kicker is only work on the above of your title. So that means you need to write your title first and then your kicker. Next up is we will start writing our article. As you can see, this is a nice example article. So other thing about Medium is, like, if you want to divide your introduction and other subjects of your story, you can start by pressing enter again, and then you see this plus sign right here. Yeah, so we'll just click on the 3 dots and here we are. Now we have separated our first section from the second section, and let's just copy this to here and paste it so I can use it as an example to show you guys how it is done. We want this to be formatted as an H1 header. We'll come here and select the whole text again, and we'll go for the capital T for now. We will get the H1 header. If you want to add another H2 section, we can come here, again select the text, and then change it into the capital T again. We got it. Let's give them numbers so it would be clear for everyone. You want to have a subsection, click on the text and then go for the smaller t here, and we got the subsection. When we add numbers, we will go for 2.1. Here we can also add another subsection, 1.1 subsection. Again, we will select on the text and then go for the smaller t. Now we got the subsection. Once we're done with our section, again we're gonna put the enter, go for the plus sign, and then put up the divider. Now let's go for adding quotes in your texts. For example, let's go for quote by Mark Zuckerberg. We're gonna select this text and then copy. We'll go back to our Medium and then paste it here. Now we will convert it into a code format. Simply we will select the text, and then this comma will come up here and we press it. So all part of the article in your stories that are not written by you, need to changing them into this format. And if you want to add a link from where you got the quote from, you can come up here copy the link and paste it here. You select the text, you can come up here and paste the link. Let's press enter and then add our section divider. The other thing I'll show you here is going to be press a star, put a space, then you can write your bullet list here. And when you press enter, you will find your next bullet list dot here again. The other thing is when you want to have a numbered list, you can go for your keyboard and then you press 1 and dot, and then here you have it. So you can go for numbered list here. Then when you press enter, it automatically go to the second number. Another thing on Medium is there is a pull quote. To show you that, let me paste my text once again here, and I'm gonna select the whole text and I'll go for the quotation mark again and I'll click it again. So now I have my full text here. Last but not least, there is this amazing feature. You can add an image from your files, or if you want, you can also add an image from the web. All you need to do is write a text here of what you want. Let's go for car and enter. And then we get the image here. So we will choose what we want. If you don't have any of your favorites here, you can go for the next slide and choose what catches your eyes from here. Just like that. And we got it. And the next thing is going to be publish it. So when you publish it, it gives you a choice what you want to categorize it on. So let's go for an example, since this is an example, and then we can publish it. You need to keep an eye on your progress. Medium provides this analytical that shows how your articles are performing. This information is really gold. It is a chance to turn your passion for writing into a source of income on Medium. Remember, and take time, so be patient and enjoy the journey. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow writers. Happy writing and see you next time.